Find out what are the things which is irritating you, which is not okay to you, which is still you are doing it in spite of not wanting to do. Have a negotiation with that. What can you do? How can you accept it? How can you willingly do it? How can you smilingly do it? And start doing it. And the best way to change any energy is to put a question and use the magical wand of Corkpod. Okay, so these are all the 7 chakras, 7 colors. I hope you all are aware of what is root chakra, which I told you. It's connected with the survival, stability, home, family, money, job, career, all that. And it's connected with the red chakra. So whoever has got problem with finance, business, ye, wo, okay, family, home, what you have to do? Look at red color more, wear red color more, visualize red color more, eat red color, vegetables, fruits, all more, automatically something will be shifted very soon. Orange color is more for the desires. So we all are here to fulfill our desires, right? Whether desires are the problems to all misery or desires are the way to really enjoy, both are different statements. We don't have to get into that statement in duality manner. We have to accept it. And this works at our reproductive organs also. So everything, when we make it desireful, happy, you feel like doing, you feel like eating pani puri, ye, wo, you know, keep yourself desire mein ekdam full. Then your sacral plexus chakra will be very good. The third is yellow, which is a solar plexus chakra, which is here, which we call as gut feeling, willpower, determination. You know, whenever somebody is going to hit us, we go like this. We go like this. So we protect our solar plexus chakra, right? Whenever we have fears, that person will be standing like this. The person who is confident will stand like this, right? So this is our willpower, confidence chakra. So whenever you want to enhance this chakra, whenever you want to become more confident, what do you have to do? Eat more of haldi, turmeric, yellow, see sunflower, see yellow colors, whichever you know. Eat more of yellow fruits, yellow vegetables, whatever XYZ, yellow capsicum. You'll do the needful. Because in the end, we all are mind and emotions and energies. Why? Because we are matter. And matter and energy are interconvertible. And what is Roop's equation? E equal to mc square. We are energetic being. M is mind and emotions. C is consciousness. Consciousness is pure energy. And C is choice. So we have to just make a choice. Use the right consciousness. Use the right mind, which is fully alert mind, positive state of emotions, all that. And create a positive energy in ourselves, right? Fantastic. Heart which is at the center, which takes care of the upper 3 spiritual chakras and lower 3 materialistic chakras, right? So we have to open up the heart. What do you mean by open up the heart? We have to be very, very loving to people. We have forgotten. If a child is playing and we want him to study, what will we do?
Shout.
What will we do?
Shout.
Where is the answer?
बोलेंगे उसको
पढ़ाई के खाली बोलेंगे नहीं, थोड़ा हाई टोन में भी बोलेंगे, थोड़ा ठप भी करेंगे. और वो अगर नहीं सुन रहा है तो हस्बैंड को भी बोलेंगे साइड पे बैठ जाओ, अभी उसका एग्जाम टाइम है कि नहीं? होता है. मोबाइल छोड़ो, वाईफाई बंद करो, बच्चे लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे, टीवी मत देखो. होता है बहुत सारे जिनके साथ. बट एवरीथिंग हैज अ वे. You have to talk only out of love, and everybody, even the deaf, dumb, blind, can understand the language of love. So you have to be always loving. So give a high five. I'm loving. Another high five. You are loving. Another high five. I'm lovable. Another high five. You are lovable. Okay, now the blue one. This throat chakra. वो शिवा का
Nilkant.
Lord Shiva had a Nilkant. So what is the connection and idea? Because he took the poison, he left it till here, right? And the blue color, we normally talk, we think about scar, expansion. The more we communicate, the more we can connect with people. And the more we talk effective communication, the more better the relation. The more we talk effective and loving communication, everything is ours. And we have to talk in win-win situation. Iska bhi kaam hoga, mera bhi kaam hoga. We have to talk in that way. Then the work gets done. Isn't it? Normally we do all that in front of in the office, boss, colleagues, ये वो घर पे आके चिढ़ जाने का मत करो, because wife is the first support system. You wife also may be having some irritation, so talk in a loving language. Take the time. Why they are not talking? Why they are not being with you? क्या हुआ आज? Talk in a loving, effective, positive communication. So give a high five.
बहुत जल्दी
I'm
आता
going
है
to be lovingly talking. You are also lovingly talking. Then is the third eye color, which is violet. Now this third eye is connected to our pineal gland. Our pineal gland is responsible for our full positive life energy. Okay, so we have to activate our third eye. Whoever are clairvoyant people, their third eye is very activated. What do you mean by third eye is activated? They can visualize well, they can understand what's going to happen, how it's going to. They can take right ideas into right implementation, right actions, all that. Right? So do you all want to activate your third eye?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to tell you only. How? Everybody do? Yes, yes. I like that. Okay, so just open up this third eye and be into the intention. I'm opening my third eye. I'm activating my third eye. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Put the intention. I'm opening my third eye. I'm activating my third eye. Day by day I'm becoming clairvoyant. If you're not going to say no, nothing is going to shift for you. You have to speak with me. Day by day I'm going to become clairvoyant. Day by day I'm becoming active third eye wise. I can see, understand, know things clearly.
I'm becoming younger. I'll give you a high five.
Start.
I will give you a high five.
My third eye is activated. High five. I'm clairvoyant. High five. I'm clairvoyant. High five. Now we have this crown chakra here. Okay? This crown chakra is also called as Sahasrara. Means there is 1,000 petal lotus. What are these for? Anybody know? What is this crown chakra? मोबाइल कैसे चल रहा है आप लोग का? Can you tell me? क्या होता है? फ्रीक्वेंसी कहाँ कनेक्ट होती है? With the satellite, right? So our antennas are getting also connected to our super creators satellite. Hello God, how are you? This is your crown chakra which you have to connect to your God, to your creator. From there only you are receiving all this wisdom and intelligence, right? Why we light diya? Why church mein there is a candle? Why Parsis burn? Why? Why only light? Why? What is light? It's knowledge. So from where we are receiving this? From where? Where is that bhandar? It's only creator. Now the earth frequency is at that place where we all are going to be moving one step up in our life towards our highest growth only with the knowledge. And we have to receive this knowledge from the creator. So we have to keep this Sahasrara chakra to receive maximum wisdom, intelligence from the God's frequencies, right? For that, what are you going to do?
High five.
Huh?
High five.
High five. Chalo. Next, what are you going to do? But what are you going to say with high five? What?
High five.
High five. Very good. High five. I am co-creator. High five. You are co-creator. High five. Okay. The best way to connect with God is Om. Every day you are going to say Om. Om in the manner of A, U, Ma, the way we did it. That will allow you to connect with the creator's frequency and you are going to slowly become a co-creator. Whatever you want to create, you will be able to create. Whether you have the knowledge or no. U, Ma.
It is said that should be 5%, O should be 80% and 15% more.
आपके पास मीटर है? मेरे पास तो होता ही नहीं ऐसा कैलकुलेशन वाला। Approximately ना, जो आपको मालूम है ना, आप पक्का वो approximately करना। लेकिन इधर जितने बैठे हैं ना, उसको मैं बोल रही हूँ आ ऊ म करो बस।
You didn't get me.
हाँ हाँ।
Is it correct? I am asking that question.
Yeah, it is correct. But what is happening now? A opens up your lower chakra. Now your lower chakra are already active. You are here. 1 minute. Let me complete.
Why it is said कि such percentage should? There should be
I'll
some
tell you.
relation.
I'll tell you. I'm just coming here. So this lower chakra, we are already here as a physical entities. We are here to fulfill all our desires. है ना? So we are already quite good there, right? तो अभी उधर focus जास्ती करेंगे तो क्या होएगा? Will be more materialistic.
I'm not so expert. I'm just asking.
No, even I'm not an expert.
Because I heard about it, and since you are saying it, we have done that exercise also.
Perfect.
So whether it is right, ki 15, 5, 80, and 15% what was said, is there any logic behind that?
I'm
Yes.
trying to say some logic.
Yeah.
Okay, which I know that may not be the universal truth. That may not be the real answer to it because there can be 100 answers to one question. That's how we ask question. Why? Because the universe has infinite answers. अगर मैं बोलूँ मुझे इधर से लोनावाला जाना है तो कोई एक रूट बताएगा दूसरा भी बता सकता है तीसरा. So universe gives you infinite ways. So you just ask a question, it will come to you whatever truth you need to know, whatever answer you need to know. What I am trying to say, we all are already physical entities. We are here to do all our physical actions. But do we know really that we are human beings and not human doings? Every day, right from the very young age, the mother and father has trained us, you have to do this, you have to become this, you have to do that, you have to do this. Have they ever taught us how to release anger? That is our being. Okay, so we have to focus on the being, not on doing. When we focus on the being, doing will automatically happen. But when we focus on doing, we will not work on the being. The first thing, we all are here as a physical entities, we keep doing our work. We keep fulfilling our desires, we keep doing our responsibilities, we keep doing forcibly, unforcibly, whatever we have to do, we do. है ना? So that is our lower chakra, right? Lower chakra is for that, right? That is 5%. So you don't focus more there. Your this chakra, your confidence, your heart is the center. ये center heart is if it is not fully open, ये problem, सब problem. So you have to focus more here. That is your U, that is your 85, right? 80. And this is Ma. God बोलता है कि you keep being your being, I'll take care of you. You are under my shelter. So you don't have to work on that Ma. It's hardly 15%. And here तो we are going to do. जो करने को आए वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. ये ड्रामा है. The God is seeing us from there. कठपुतली है हम लोग को लगता है मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, मैं ये सिखाया, मैंने ये किया. कुछ नहीं है हम लोग. वो ऊपर वाला डांस कराता है वैसा हम करते हैं. जो रोल बोला है वो करते हैं. Yeah, and you know, I've been introduced here as something. We all know that we have to be some role. Today you can be mother role. Again, when the husband comes, you become a wife role. Again, you go outside, you are a teacher, you take a teacher role, right? But in the end, who are we? We are the bundles of the infinite energies. Your soul, my soul, all is one. Just like one drop of the ocean, is making big ocean, same way your soul, my soul, the whole universe is made up of so many drops of souls. It's a big pool. Whatever I'm here, whatever I'm going to speak is also somewhere happening in your environment. Whatever is happening in your environment is also happening. The energy is full of rhythm and waves, nothing more. Have I answered your question? A bit of it? Okay, we can talk little later. So human brain and heart is connected. Most important. Everybody knows we are electromagnetic vibration inside us, ECG, EAG, all that, so many things are. So where is this happening? The nerve is the carrier. The DNA is the carrier of the message, okay, from brain to heart. DNA is the message from carrying our previous soul's message in this life. Okay? So we have to be careful of our mind and heart. So say I am positive in my thoughts. High five.
High five.
You are positive in your thoughts. I am positive in my emotions. You are positive in your emotions. So we are going to do one exercise, small exercise. You all have to give me a bit of alarm when you want to close this session. So I will take 5 minutes. I want to do 5 minutes? Yeah. Okay, so I want to also do a meditation. Would you allow me to do one meditation or no for you all? Because 5 minutes to wind up and 5 minutes for meditation. Do you allow me 10 minutes and I go ahead?
10 minutes is fine.
Only 5 minutes? Okay. So I'll just wind up. Okay. So before you all go, okay, you have to do one eye contact. Bazu wale se, and whatever you feel like giving a compliment, you're going to do that. Come on, time starts now. Just give one genuine contact, looking into the eye. Genuine compliment, whatever you feel like giving, give it to the other person by handshake or by touching, whichever way. Your all energy is here. Your all energy is here. Shake hand, ya to touch, ya to look into the eyes and pass on one compliment to your partner. As you all know, Reiki, what is Reiki? Universal energy, right? Even when a child cries, the mother keeps doing this. So we have lot of powerful energy center here. And you have to, if you have to heal any of your health problem, any organs, what you have to do? I am healing my liver. I am healing my heart. Wherever you have a problem, I have a headache, then I will say, I am healing my head. You have to put a hand contact. Whenever you want to talk to your friend who is into problem, you will take the hand, you will hold it and give your compassionate touch. Okay? So touch is the very powerful thing. The last is forgiveness and gratitude. Okay? There is a very powerful Ho'oponopo, which is a very powerful thing with whoever you have any ill feelings. I am very sure everybody have ill feeling with one person at least. Huh? More than one? More than one? Fantastic. So please learn this prayer. Take the person's energy name. Okay? And say this 4 words in its order. Okay? Suppose if I have a problem with my husband, I am having some ill feeling. Then I will say, Bhavin, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, love you. I don't have to tell in front of him, I have to keep reciting in my own mind. Okay, this will resolve all those invisible layers of ill feeling between you and that person. Fantastic. So all of you, take 1 minute, close your eyes, think about one person and say these 4 lines. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, love you. And keeping your eyes closed, I am going to take you through one small meditation of 1 minute. Keeping your eyes closed, take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Relax your body, relax your mind. Relax your body, relax your mind. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Even if you don't want to, close your eyes. Focus all your attention on the stomach expansion and stomach contraction. Let you completely put your attention on your stomach expansion and contraction while you are inhaling, while you are exhaling. Beautiful, you all are doing very good. Keeping your all attention on the stomach expansion and contraction, relaxing full body parts. Let your legs relax, let your hands relax, let your shoulder relax, let your face relax. Let your mind be completely calm. And tell yourself 5 times, I am pure energy. 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 Another 5 sentences. I am positive energy. 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 Put your hand on your heart and say, I love myself. 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 Now put your hand on your heart again and say, I love all people around me. I love all people around me. I love all people around me. I am loving. I am lovable. I am loving. I am lovable. I am loving. The angels are working here. I'm getting a lot of goosebumps that you all have got some angelic support right now for receiving this love frequency energies, for receiving this pure positive energy. I'm thanking all my angels here and all of you. Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm touched.
ESC.